Himsteak says, "Thank you so much for the advice." You're welcome. I hope that helps. I'm just speaking with my truths and my experience. I don't know if it helps anybody, but I'm just sharing what I can. Okay, real slim. I love this name, Real Slim Chadi, I believe is how you would say that. Love the name. First, thank you, Dennis, for the amazing content you've been providing. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you saying that. It's really nice of you. I am looking for constant learning in data science. I'm subscribed to many newsletters, YouTube channels, and Postgrad Pro. Good, good. Um, and then as a follow up, you write how to best learn. I think you're right. How to best learn. It says how to beat learn, but I think it's how to best learn. Um, there is nothing stopping you from sitting at home and doing your own models, right? You should be able to sit at home and start working with frameworks and models and data that you choose. I still do that, and that's how I started because I had a very strong programming background, but I didn't have the data science credentials.